Hi everyone. As we are closing at EMO Hannover, I'm at the last day in EMO Hannover 2023. I'm very happy to also say that IMTEX had a very successful meetings with all the global associations at EMO Hannover, and it was very nice to see all the 50 odd companies who have been displaying a fantastic display of technology and solutions. And also, it was very nice to know from the global community and also from the leading players that Indian machines are now increasingly being popularized and accepted by the local companies here in Germany and also elsewhere in the world. So it's a fantastic opportunity for all the Indian companies to take advantage of such big forums like EMO and participate in a bigger manner in the global shows that's happening elsewhere in the world. On behalf of IMKMA, I wish every participant a very successful business results out of EMO and wishing everyone a safe journey back home. Also, I can also tell you that at IMKMA we had excellent meetings with all the global associations and all the stakeholders and partners. It was very nice to meet all our friends, including our companies, our member companies, and also the global players, and also the stakeholders and associations here at EMO. So wishing everyone a safe journey back home, and we look forward to welcoming you all at IMTEX 2024 from 19 to 23 January at Bangalore International Exhibition Center, where the world will be converging once again in Bangalore during IMTEX Spring 2024.